Hey everyone, today I've got another innovative airdrop to chat about. This one has some pretty special backers beyond it. Basically, this platform is setting a new standard for how capital is raised in Web3. Think of it as an early stage debt financing protocol that is built on Solana. They are mainly focused on something called liquidity treasury tokens or LTTs. These are used for fixed yield instruments, which is just a fancy way of saying they are creating stable, predictable ways to earn. They actually just wrapped up what they call a builder's run, and the list of investors is seriously impressive. We're talking about some major players in the crypto world. First off, they've got the Solana Co-Founder himself. We're also seeing one of the founders from Magic Eden involved, the big NFT marketplace. And there are a bunch of other prominent figures and VCs from the Solana ecosystem and beyond backing them up. First thing, you need to visit the project's website. Then look for the Connect Wallet button and give it a click. You'll need to agree to their terms and then connect using your Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom, which is what most people on Solana use, but any Solana based wallet should work. This part is important. You have to register your wallet to join the early access. You'll see a button that says something like request access or register. Click that to get the ball rolling. They will then ask you a couple of quick questions, and most importantly, you need to put in your email address right here. Once you've done all that, hit the submit button. After you submit, you are basically in the waiting room. They say it takes about 2 days to process, and then you'll receive your unique access code via email. Right here on the page, you'll see a spot to enter that code you received. Pop it in. The platform needs a little more to finalize your spot. Confirm your email, just pop it in this place. Next, paste your Solana wallet address right here. That is your Phantom address that you connected earlier. And finally, connect your X account and just click the button and authorize the connection. After all those fields are green, give it a final confirm click. You should now be directed to the testnet site. Okay team, before anything else, you gotta grab your free test tokens, so click on this. Now for step 1, first task, we need to add some test funds. Let's put in about $10, I think is enough. Just to give you the idea, click mint when you are ready. This is a testnet, not your actual wallet, so nothing's at risk. After you click mint, you'll get a prompt, just confirm it with yes confirm. Funds successfully added. Now, if you want to track your assets, just head over to your profile. You can see everything there. Now, you can actually trade with this money. Just look through the list and click on whichever asset you are interested in. And quick tip, if you find a bug while you are messing around, you can report it. That will actually get your extra points. Last thing guys, head over and connect your Discord account. Make absolutely sure you verify it. Next, go into the role channel and check out what roles are available. The OG role is already gone, sadly, but don't worry, there are still plenty of other cool roles. You can get them. The best way to get them is be active and just chat with the community. Got questions? Drop a comment below and I will try to get to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.